So let's talk about Facebook violation. If you're someone who uses Facebook, either you converted your personal profile to a page or you created a page on Facebook and you're having violation, you don't know what to do and you don't know the reason why you're getting the violation. This video is the right video for you because in this video, I'll show you reasons why you are having a violation and how you can stop the violation on your account. Now, let's get started. For most users, they don't know the reason why they are getting Facebook violation. First thing I want to tell you, there are tons of different Facebook violation. You can either be flagged by the algorithm or by a manual review. Now, the first thing you need to know is that the violation is usually caused by you. And I'm going to explain. And the first thing I want you to do if you have a violation on your Facebook page is repair. And this is what I mean. So for example, let's go ahead and open my browser. Now in the search section, you want to search for Facebook monetization policy. Scroll down and you see partner monetization policy, Meta Business Help Center. So tap on this first option here and then wait for the URL to load. Once the URL has loaded, you'll find their partner policies. Now I choose to use partner policies because you want to make your content ad friendly so that if you want to monetize your Facebook page, you won't be violating any of their ad policy. If you don't want to monetize, it still complies. Now, while on this page, you find several policies here. You can tap on the drop down on each one of them to read and go through their policies. And they are quite strict with their policies because breaching their policies is why you are getting the violation. You need to go through all of these policies and read them. And the funny thing is that this might be one of your video or some of your videos which Facebook won't point out which these videos are. Now, for example, if you created an AI video impersonating someone and then speaking as the person you are impersonating, Facebook is going to restrict your content, which makes sense. For a Christian channel, speaking of Jesus as the first person is going to get you a violation. So I am, for example, is going to get you a violation because you are impersonating Jesus. So the key point here is that before you start creating your content, go through these policies and understand these policies to avoid violation. If you don't get violation immediately in your video, you get it later on when you are close to monetization. So now that we know the cause of your violation, the next step is to fix your violation. Which, for example, if you believe your content isn't violating any of their policies, you can go straight to creating an appeal. But if you find out that your content is violating their policies, you need to go to your channel, make some changes, take down those contents before you create an appeal. So let's go straight to fixing. Now what you want to do is go back and open Facebook. And once Facebook is opened, you want to take a screenshot of the type of violation you're having and then get your Facebook ID. Now let's get the Facebook ID first of all. You want to tap on your profile in this section, or you can in this section tap on the 3 horizontal line in this section and then tap on your profile name. This will bring you here. Now once you're here, you want to come to this section where it says page digital creator. So depending on the category you choose when creating your Facebook page, it will differ from what you are seeing online. Now you want to tap in this section and then you're going to see page transparency. In the page transparency section, you want to go ahead and copy your Facebook page ID. So I'm going to copy this ID in this section. And once copied, the next step is to take a screenshot of the type of violation you're having. You can go back to this section again, tap on the 3 dots on the top right corner of your screen here, and you see page status. Tap on this. What you're looking for on this page is recommendation. Currently on this account, I do not have any violation. But if you have a violation, you either see it in the extra feature section here under recommendation or monetization. When you tap on recommendation, you should be able to see the kind of violation you have. Now, once here, you want to take a screenshot. And then once you have taken a screenshot, the next step is creating the appeal. You can do this easily when you go back to the home page. If you're using Facebook, you want to tap on the 3 horizontal line in this section. And then you want to scroll down here. Here, you're going to see help and support. Tap on the drop down in this section. And then you want to scroll till you see report a problem. Tap on report a problem and then tap on continue to report a problem in this section. Here you want to tap on include and then on this page you want to find page. Once you found page, tap on page and then you want to leave a brief description of your violation. You can record the screen and then upload from photos. So what we want to do in this section here is to get a description for the type of violation you're having. Now I have created a template for different type of violation you will have. There are up to about 10 different violation templates in this section here. I'm going to leave it as a pinned comment in this video so you can easily copy and paste. So for example, let's say I am having an issue of original/reused content. In this section here, where it says page ID, I'm going to remove what I have written here and then replace it with my Facebook page ID. The Facebook page ID is your page identification number. In the bottom here where it says thank you, you want to enter your name. And this should be the name of the person who owns the page, as it can also require you to do identity check. So go ahead and copy in this section, and then you want to go back to Facebook. In the describe issue section here, you want to paste what you just copied. And then you want to tap on upload from phone in this section here. Select the screenshot of your violation and then tap on done in this section. Now once you're done, you want to tap on send, and this will send it to Facebook team. Now I'm not going to send because I don't have any violation and any reason to report any problem. But this is how you can appeal to Facebook. If you're someone who is using Business Suite, what you want to do is open the Facebook Business Suite. Once open, you want to switch to that page. Once you're on the page, you want to tap on tools in this section, and then you want to tap on feedback. Tap on continue to report a problem. Then on this page, you want to find others since there is no page in this section here. You want to tap on the X to remove this. And then in the section where it says briefly explain what happened, you want to go ahead and paste the templates. And then you want to scroll down here. You're going to see record video and camera roll. Tap on camera roll again and then select the image of your violation. Tap on done, and then you can give permission to log in as yourself. Once you're done, tap on send at the top right corner of your screen, and it will be sent to your Facebook team to review. Now basically what you are requesting for is a manual review of your page, and that if any issue is found, that you are willing to edit or remove the content immediately. This usually takes about 7 working days for you to get a reply. You might not get a reply via an email, but you can always check your recommendation page. On the recommendation page, you'll see if there's an extra step you need to do. Now, one important thing I want you to keep in mind is that even if you have a violation, or even after appealing you still see your violation, it doesn't mean your Facebook page is dead. All you need to do is keep fixing until the violation is gone. So thank you for watching this video. If you do find this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on for more helpful content like this.